Hello, Destiny Builders. Have you ever dreamt of making money while you sleep as a published author? Do you know that there are people who are making up to $50,000 a month just from publishing books? Have you tried publishing maybe 1, 2, or 3 books and you still don't see any sales? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will be sharing the secrets of Amazon KDP. And I will walk you through the process of finding books that are in demand, helping you create that book, and publish the book on Amazon KDP. This video is for beginners, and I will walk you through the process of publishing your first book from start to finish. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short, is a publishing powerhouse. It is an incredible platform that allows anyone to publish ebooks or paperbacks straight to Amazon KDP for free. So Amazon KDP lets you publish your books on Amazon and you earn royalties when your book is purchased. And it is a great platform for beginners, especially because there's no risk of you losing money. So imagine publishing your book on Amazon KDP and that book is available worldwide to billions of people. And the best part is that you earn royalties when people purchase your book from Amazon KDP. And I know it sounds too good to be true, right? But guess what? It is not. With KDP, you can retain up to 70% of the royalties of your book, and you are in control of the pricing of your book, and you can make updates at any time. But the best part of it all, there is no inventory needed. With Amazon KDP, it is print on demand, which means that your book is only printed when someone actually orders or purchases your book. And now, if you're new to this and you're thinking, oh, I'm not a tech wizard, I don't know anything about publishing, and this is going to be very difficult for me, I am here to tell you, don't worry at all. Amazon KDP is actually designed for everyone, for the young, for the old, and even for the retired. And yes, it is a process and it does take time to learn the entire process, but that's why I'm here, because I am going to walk you through the entire process of Amazon KDP. But before we dive in, I am Gael and welcome to my YouTube channel. And please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks about Amazon KDP. Thank you. In order to make it easy for you to learn the entire process, I will break it down into a 10-part series about everything on KDP. And I will cover everything from creating a KDP account, finding the most profitable niches, verifying that that niche is actually profitable, creating the book, helping you and showing you the best ways to hire experts from different platforms that can help you to create a great cover for your book, uploading that book to Amazon KDP, running ads on that book, and finally cashing out your money and much more. I will be sharing some insider tips on how you can market your book to help you skyrocket your sales from the very beginning. So whether you're a seasoned writer or a first timer with a story to tell, KDP can open the door to endless possibilities. So just to give you some background information about my KDP journey, I was actually motivated to make this video because of my personal experience. So I started KDP in 2022 and it was very confusing for me. I watched video after video trying to piece all the information together, and it got even more confusing because I didn't know where to start and which information was more important than the other. In 2023, I finally decided to publish my first book, and that was after I'd done so much research. I spent a lot of money on ads, but guess what? I did not make sales from my book, and I became so disappointed because I didn't know where I went wrong. But after taking a step back and doing more research and working with a mentor, I came to realize that I really did not have a good understanding of the entire process of KDP. And KDP takes time to learn the process, but that's why I'm here. My goal is to save you from the stress, the time, the money, and the disappointment that I felt when I started my KDP journey. And so I am going to walk you through the process from the start to the finish so that you can do it right the very first time. So if you follow this 10-part series entirely, you will become more knowledgeable and you will be ready to sell your book on Amazon KDP. And remember, you are a destiny builder and I need your commitment. I'm asking you to buckle up, grab a notebook, and dedicate some serious time to this 10-part series. We are in this together and the goal is simple. By the end of this year, we are all going to add one juicy stream of passive income to our portfolio. And if you have any questions or comments along the way, don't be shy. Please drop it down in the comments section and I will be sure to respond to your individual comments. So together, we are going to crush those procrastination habits and turn our dreams into reality. And remember, even the biggest sellers on Amazon KDP started right from where you are today. So please do not be discouraged. Just start today. And if you're new to my channel, I am Gael and thank you so much for watching this video till the very end. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and become part of the family. Thank you and watch out for the 10-part series